The purpose of this video is for us to find a previously entered sales contact. In this case, it would be for Cameron Crum. I also want to show you the use of the clear filter button and the clear sorting button. We begin by going to the customer's element on the far left-hand side, and we click on the sales and prospects. That drops down an additional menu items, and we'll click on sales search edit. And if we're going to edit or add all of the sales contacts all at one time, there's a magnifying glass right over here on the right hand side, and I can click on that. That loads up all of the sales contacts that are currently in the database. If I am going to sort this, I can sort this several different ways. So for example, if I want to sort this by address, I can sort it by address from Z to the number 1, or I can sort it reverse sort. I can sort from a blank space all the way out to the letter Z. If I want to clear that sort, I go over to the far right side and I click the clear sorting button. Puts the data back into the original format. Also, if I, for example, decide that I want to look for a particular customer, in this case, anybody with the letter C in their last name, I click on the letter C and it starts bringing up a complete list of anybody that has a letter C in their last name. If I want to further refine that, I can make it CR, and I can see that I, in fact, only have one customer with the last name that contains the letter combination CR. I can clear the filter by clicking the clear filter button, and what that does is that puts all of the customers back the way they were originally. However, in this case, we're looking for the sales prospect called Cameron Crum, so I can just put in Cam and click on, in order to see the data for this sales prospect, I click on the row that contains his name, and that will bring up the sales contact form for the customer Cameron Crum. I can see that this is his first name, his last name, this is his street address, this is the city, state, the zip, this is the country that he's in, and this is his longitude and latitude. You can see that he is actually located on the map near the towers and so forth over in that location. If I keep coming down, I can see that he has a multitude of different phone numbers. This is the work number, this is the cell number, and that is the contact number. And this, obviously, is his email address. I can see that the original referral source was word of mouth. I can change that if I choose to. I can also see that if this was a prospective customer and he failed a qualification or he failed a survey, I could actually shift him to failed qualify or failed survey, or that we need to do a follow-up with the particular individual. In this case, he's just a prospect, and we're going to go ahead and see if we can provide service to him.